Hi everyone, so yes, ignore my other video. It's called Radar's Sleepy. Please, that was 10 months ago. Ignore the fact that that even exists. So today we're actually doing a unboxing. Kind of random. It's a Ushining quality. It was a $17 phone that I got on Amazon. There's the information. The model number is that. The color is black. And that's the code. And this box is beat up because I threw it into a sink filled with water and threw it all over the place before coronavirus, so now I'm stuck inside. So the phone could be damaged, so I don't want to blame that on the company unless it's that bad, which I'm not going to blame on the company because it's from China. You know, China gives us enough products. I can't pronounce. Interesting tape job here. I like the box. Okay, that's very well. That just introduced itself very well. Okay, plastic bag to hold the phone. Yeah, I'll read through some stuff, but first just let me get the charger out. It's a basic USB-C cable. It's kind of short, but it's fine. Plug it in right now, and oh, I just dropped it. It's fine. No, it's not fine. So, plugged it in. Works. Oop, it's powering on. Oh. So, we actually have a power source of it. It's coming on. So, sorry about that little while of waiting. So it has a 2 megapixel camera. So that's the background. It's very quality. Phone book, messages, file manager, FM radio, multimedia, call logs, phone book, alarm, organizer, settings. I guess I'll start with that because then the camera's on here. Whoa. That is some incredible quality right there. It's terrible. So, it's a very laggy camera. So, you know. We got a laggy camera on this phone. Was it worth the $17? Got a picture. I don't know, that's kind of creepy if you can see it. So yep, this is the picture on the screen. Kind of creepy looking in my opinion. Set it as my wallpaper. And there's only one picture that you can put on this phone. And the keyboard does light up. So, if I was to shut off my lighting, you would be able to tell that it lights up. Which you should be able to tell now. If it lights up or not. You can tell now. So, that is my light up keyboard on this phone. Turn my lighting back on. And we're back. So, yes. Let's see what else features are in this phone for $17. And by already the quality, it doesn't necessarily feel that bad. Then we'll do a board smashing video of this, which will be nice. but that's going to be later in this channel. This is a very hard phone to navigate. Not enough space. One picture, not enough space. And apparently it has a flash. So, you use the hang up button to, oh god, you have to unlock this phone. Press that. Wait. Sorry, this is a very... interesting. Okay. It's a very interesting... Oh, please plug in headphone. It comes with headphones. Oh, it even comes with a SIM card injector. And it comes with a SIM card tray. Probably on the inside of the phone. And yeah. So I'm assuming that you can open the phone. Not necessarily looking forward to trying to open the phone, so not going to. And I want to try to turn on the flash. This has a sound recorder, audio player, image viewer, sound recorder, FM radio. It has speakers on it. I don't know why it wants me to put headphones in so bad, but okay. I just ripped the bag, but it's fine. Wasn't a very expensive bag. This phone probably cost a lot more than $17 and where it came from. Wow. Well, it does work. I mean, you could listen to FM radio. I don't know necessarily who listens to FM radio now. So, yeah, the headphones work. I'm surprised that this came in English. Really, I think that's probably all, even though I didn't explore through the settings. Let's see what alarm is. They just have alarms for each time of the day preset for you. I set one, but I doubt that it's going to go off. Let's see. File manager, messages, phone book. I'm just going to go to settings. What's display settings? What's this? Yeah, there's not many settings. And let's look at, let's see what is messages. No, there's no messages. It's file manager. My music, photos, video, okay. Don't really see anything else with this phone. I kind of want to try this flash. It says it has a flash, and it says that's the flash. Right on the top of it. Right there. Yeah, it says this is the flash right here. It won't come into focus, which is kind of sad. but there's a little dot that says it's the flash. And I never read the directions. I would like to see the light. Open the battery cover, micro SD slot. Oh, I could put an SD card in here. And you guys can see a video from the SD card from this phone. Guess I'm gonna work on that later in this channel. If I have a micro SD card and stuff, I just won't be able to figure that. I can't edit clips together, and I won't be able to. I can download them to my phone from this camera, but it's gonna take a while, and I don't have any storage. My personal phone is this one right here. It's an iPhone XR. Yep, I think that's. Yeah. It's recording my voice right now. I don't know if that's gonna work, but now let's see if I can listen to. Let's see if I can listen to sound recorder. Yeah, we got that. Let's see if I can find sound recorder. So I guess I have to do this and then go into options and then I'm curious how people used to type on these.